Have you ever found yourself wondering if we're living in the future yet? If so, you're not alone. Imagine waking up one day to find robots walking your dog or AI making your morning coffee exactly how you like it. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that we're closer to that reality than you might think, and companies like Nvidia are leading the charge? Now, let me take you back to my first encounter with AI. A college student struggling to balance a part-time job and studies, dreaming of a world where technology could make life a bit easier. Fast forward to today, and it's happening right before our eyes thanks to Nvidia's groundbreaking work in AI and robotics. So why should you stick around till the end? Because we're diving deep into how Nvidia is not just shaping our future but revolutionizing it. And before we get into the nuts and bolts of it all, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's kick things off by talking about Nvidia, a name that's become synonymous with cutting-edge technology. Just recently, Nvidia's stock prices went through the roof, and for a good reason. At the heart of Silicon Valley, something extraordinary happened at the annual GPU Technology Conference. Nvidia's co-founder and CEO, Jensen Huang, took the stage and gave us a glimpse into the future, a future where AI isn't just a buzzword but the backbone of our technological progress. Now, you might be asking, what's the big deal with AI? Let me put it this way. Say you have a personal assistant that's not just smart but can predict your needs, streamline your day, and even help solve some of the world's toughest problems. That's where Nvidia steps in with its AI initiatives, setting the stage for innovations that could redefine how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. One of the stars of the show was the Blackwell GPU, named after the legendary mathematician David Blackwell. This isn't just an ordinary chip, it's a powerhouse designed to feed the data-hungry beasts of AI development. Nvidia didn't stop there. They introduced us to Project GR00T, stepping boldly into the realm of humanoid robotics. Named with a nod to everyone's favorite tree-like Marvel character, GR00T represents a leap towards a future where robots might not just work alongside us but understand and interact with us on a whole new level. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, but haven't we been promised robots for decades? True, but here's where it gets interesting. Nvidia's vision for humanoid robots isn't about replacing humans, but about enhancing our capabilities and taking on tasks that can free us up to be more creative and productive. Imagine a robot that could learn from observing and interacting with its environment, much like a human does. That's the promise of Jetson Thor, Nvidia's computing platform. That's the heartbeat of their robotics endeavors. How do you train a robot to navigate the complexities of the real world? Enter Nvidia's Isaac Lab, a comprehensive system that's like a boot camp for robots. It's where these machines learn to understand and interact with their surroundings. And for practice, they've got Omniverse, a virtual reality gym where robots can hone their skills in a digital twin of the real world. Now let's zoom out a bit. Nvidia's ambitions aren't confined to the lab. They're partnering with giants like Siemens to create an industrial metaverse, a digital universe that could revolutionize how we design, build, and maintain everything from buildings to entire cities. This isn't just about making things more efficient. It's about reimagining the fabric of our industrial world. What truly sets Nvidia's approach apart is its commitment to democratizing technology. With Project GR00T, they're making it possible for a wider range of creators to develop and deploy humanoid robots. This could open up a world of possibilities for innovation, from small startups to large corporations. And for the developers out there, Nvidia's Isaac Robotics platform is a treasure trove of tools designed to build more sophisticated and capable robots. This is where the future of robotics is being written, with tools that could one day allow robots to assist in everything from everyday chores to complex surgeries. Nvidia's vision isn't just about robots and industrial metaverses. It's about creating a more interconnected and immersive technological ecosystem. That's where collaborations like the one with Apple's Vision Pro come in, blending design and technology to enhance how we interact with digital environments. And let's not forget Nvidia's impact on the automotive industry. With AI and autonomous driving technologies, they're not just changing how cars are designed, but redefining the very concept of mobility. Imagine a future where your car doesn't just drive you from point A to point B but anticipates your needs, ensures your safety, and even makes your journey more enjoyable. As Nvidia pushes the boundaries of AI and robotics, ethical considerations remain at the forefront. It's about ensuring that these technologies are developed and deployed in ways that benefit society as a whole, addressing potential ethical concerns and working towards solutions that are not only innovative but also responsible. And of course, no technological revolution comes without its challenges. From ensuring the accessibility of AI technologies to addressing the skills gap, Nvidia is at the forefront of tackling these issues, driving not just innovation but also the adoption of AI across various sectors. So what's next for Nvidia and the AI revolution? As we stand on the brink of this new technological era, one thing is clear. Nvidia isn't just participating in the AI revolution, they're leading it. With every initiative from Project GR00T to the Blackwell GPU, Nvidia is not just shaping the future of technology. They're redefining what's possible, paving the way for a world where AI and robotics are integrated into the fabric of our daily lives. And that is just the beginning. As we dive into Nvidia's world of AI and robotics, we'll uncover more about how these technologies are not just changing the game, but setting the stage for a future that once existed only in the realms of science fiction. So stay tuned, because the future is unfolding right before our eyes, and you won't want to miss what comes next. So what are your thoughts on Nvidia's role in the AI revolution? How do you see AI and robotics shaping our future? Remember to engage with us in the comments below, share your thoughts, and let's embark on this journey into the future together. And don't forget, if you're fascinated by the potential of AI and robotics, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things AI tech with our channel. The future is unfolding, and together, we're a part of it. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, this is AI Nexus, signing off. Catch you on the flip side.